Hello friends, welcome to the another video of Grafana series. So today we'll make our first dashboard in Grafana. So we are on the dashboard panel and here you need to click on the create dashboard, add visualization, and in the last video we have created our data source where we have connected InfluxDB database. So we'll gonna select that, and you need to keep in mind that Grafana mainly works on time series data. So it works on the industrial data which is updated time to time. So there must be a column of time in every database you connect to Grafana for real-time visualization. So here we are selecting time series, and here is statement already written. You just need to select. So the table is bird and we want to get all the data or the count data. So you can see the table is created by itself. Let's change it to, so mean is it is giving. So numerical value is needed in Grafana, as you can see. So this is one method of selecting the columns you want to show. And there is another method when you click on this edit and write here. So here you can see the query which is automatically written by Grafana. Select distinct speed from word where time filter this. So let's write it by ourselves. Let's say count. Our database name. So you can see the dashboard is created and this will be automatically updated as you have not mentioned the time. So if any changes occurs, it will be updated automatically. Not only it will not only show a specific time interval. So when you save this, and you can change the visualization from here like this, this. There are many types of visualization which we will work upon individually. So this time your first dashboard is created and you need to save dashboard. You can write a message of this and save. Now if you go to back to dashboard, so this is your first dashboard, and you can also duplicate things from here and edit in it. And there are other options: view, edit, share, shared link, embedded, snapshot. So it takes a snapshot also, and there are many other options. So by this video, we have created our first dashboard in Grafana, and we'll learn all other visualization day by day. So thanks for watching.